So I was supposed to run this tonight, but I was walking around and I got carried away with the fog here. So I'm out here just shooting some fog video, and then I'm gonna head home. The fog today is like it's really gone down and settled like really low, so it's giving this nice climatic cinematic view sort of thing. So I was supposed to run, but I saw this, I'm like, I need to take videos of this thing because it comes like once in a while. Darkness here, this is a whole fog all the way. I wish I have like a torch, one of those fog torch to push it through the fog. From time to time that always saying this, fog is my favorite time to take videos or photograph. I don't know, there are some people they like sunset, evening, morning. I just love fog. It's, I don't know, because maybe I brought up, like not brought up, but I like mountainous. I'm a mountain person. I like hike and mountain. I don't like the beach or ocean or something like that either. Any time of the day I'll go for lake or mountain. Not mountain climbing, but just hike up a mountain or something. So I cranked up the zoom from the action just to give us more noise. Give me more noise so you can see the fog, because I don't know if I capture the fog using just the normal standard DWOP footage. So I actually just cranking up the zoom thing just to give that noise so you can see the fog, and I probably grade it later. And I am also shooting it on the D-Log mode just to protect the highlights, so later when I grade it. So anyway, I got an idea. I'm gonna pull this selfie stick to a full extent and shoot it like I'm flying a drone. I forgot to bring the drone, so I'm just gonna do this. I did this style, give the illusion of a drone during my Ubuntu vlogging thing also. So anyway, I'm just gonna do that also. Anyway, that's all for my... I'm gonna upload this as a separate mini vlog. Alright, so yeah, this is my vlog about the fog. So anyway, enjoy the last 30 seconds or so of the fog video.